Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. High-end manufactured homes design refers to a sophisticated branch of residential architecture where luxury and precision engineering meet the efficiency of factory-built construction. Unlike standard mobile or modular homes, high-end versions prioritize premium materials, architectural innovation, and seamless integration with the natural environment. These designs often feature expansive floor-to-ceiling glass, high-quality timber or metal cladding, and open-concept layouts that rival custom site-built estates. It is about moving away from the temporary feel of traditional manufactured housing and embracing a permanent, high-performance dwelling that offers both aesthetic beauty and structural integrity. The primary benefit of opting for a high-end manufactured home is the unparalleled control over quality and cost. Because these homes are constructed in a climate-controlled factory environment, the building materials are protected from the elements, ensuring a level of precision and longevity that is difficult to achieve on a standard construction site. Additionally, the streamlined production process significantly reduces waste and construction time, allowing homeowners to move into their luxury space much faster than with traditional builds. These homes are also increasingly designed with sustainability in mind, utilizing energy-efficient systems and high-quality insulation that lead to lower long-term maintenance costs. Ultimately, you get a designer-level home with high-end finishes and modern amenities at a more predictable price point and timeline. To make a high-end manufactured home exterior look truly exceptional, you should focus on layering textures and integrating the structure with its landscape. Start by using a mix of premium cladding materials, such as combining natural cedar planks with sleek black metal panels to create visual depth and a modern edge. Incorporating large-scale landscaping elements like oversized concrete pavers, gravel pathways, and strategic rock formations helps ground the house and gives it a custom, built-in appearance. Lighting is also crucial. Use recessed soffit lights and path lighting to highlight the architectural lines of the home at night. Finally, add expansive decking or a cantilevered pergola to extend your living space outdoors, making the home feel larger and more connected to the surrounding scenery. The most popular styles for high-end manufactured homes often lean toward minimalism, mid-century modern, and industrial chic. The mid-century modern style is particularly effective, utilizing flat or low-slope roof lines, large windows, and an emphasis on indoor-outdoor flow. Minimalism focuses on clean lines and a monochromatic color palette, often using white or charcoal finishes to emphasize the home's geometric shape. For those seeking a more rugged look, the industrial style incorporates exposed steel beams, reclaimed wood, and large glass garage doors. Sustainable and eclectic modern styles are also rising in popularity, where natural wood finishes are paired with solar-ready roofs and native plant landscaping to create a home that feels both luxurious and environmentally responsible. Now, let's look at some stunning inspiration. Here are the top 10 best high-end manufactured home design ideas that you can use for your next project. One, the modern gable retreat. This design features a striking dual gable silhouette with a mix of warm wood siding and contemporary gray panels. The expansive wraparound deck provides a seamless transition to the lush green lawn, making it perfect for indoor-outdoor entertaining. 2. Mid-century poolside pavilion. A stunning example of mid-century influence, this home uses a low-slope roof and floor-to-ceiling glass to overlook a luxury pool area. The warm interior lighting glows through the windows at dusk, highlighting the open-plan layout. 3. Minimalist timber cube. This compact yet luxurious design focuses on vertical timber cladding and large sliding glass doors. Nestled among mature trees, its simple rectangular form creates a sophisticated, low-profile footprint that respects the natural landscape. 4. The monochrome twin peak. Featuring a bold black exterior and high vaulted ceilings, this home uses large picture windows to frame the view. The clean white concrete stepping stones and manicured shrubbery add to its high-end, minimalist appeal. 5. Stone Accent Luxury Villa. This multi-level manufactured design incorporates stacked stone pillars and a built-in outdoor bar. The combination of natural stone, wood-look ceilings, and modern glass railings creates a resort-style atmosphere in a residential setting. 6. The classic farmhouse prefab. Blending traditional charm with modern manufacturing, this home features a deep covered porch with elegant white railings. The mix of lap siding and shingle textures gives it a timeless, custom-built look that feels incredibly sturdy and welcoming. 7. Sleek Black Glass Studio. A masterpiece of modern minimalism. This home uses a dark corrugated metal exterior paired with an entirely glass front. The interior is visible as a warm, inviting gallery-like space, perfect for scenic locations. 8. Mid-century wood and glass cabin. This design celebrates the beauty of natural wood grain, using large horizontal planks and a flat roof with deep overhangs. The recessed lighting in the eaves ensures the home looks just as beautiful after the sun goes down. 9. The modernist open atrium. With a focus on symmetry and transparency, this home features a central outdoor lounge area flanked by two wings of the house. The use of dark gray siding and warm wood accents on the ceiling creates a sophisticated, high-contrast look. 10. Two-story industrial loft. Pushing the boundaries of manufactured design, this two-story home combines wood cladding with a black metal box second floor. The integrated garage and rooftop terrace options make it a versatile choice for modern urban or rural living. High-end manufactured homes are no longer just a trend. They are a revolution in how we think about luxury and efficiency in the housing industry. By combining the precision of factory construction with high-end architectural styles, these homes offer a unique opportunity to own a designer residence that is both beautiful and sustainable. Whether you are drawn to the clean lines of minimalism or the warmth of mid-century design, the future of home building is clearly moving toward these sophisticated, high-performance dwellings. If you enjoyed this tour of the top 10 high-end manufactured home designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more daily inspiration. We cover everything from innovative architecture to the latest in exterior decor. Let us know in the comments, which of these designs was your favorite? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of modern living.